Hello everyone, this is Ashish from India. I would like to start by giving a quick brief about my profession, about myself. Currently, I'm working as a business analyst for a reputed MNC in Bangalore. My work involved to play with lot of data, lot of analytics, because nowadays everything is connected with data. Whatever product, whatever process you are working, the core of everything is the data. The better organized data, the better outcome you can expect. And this is from the professional aspect. Here I would like to put a quick perspective of very important thing. It is about whenever we opt some field or any field to grow in that, it is very important to get in touch with the same like-minded people or the people who are already working in that, because they can help you to solve all the intricacies of that particular field. They can help you to improvise your learning. They can help you to go on the right path. So many things involved with that. Basically, I'm saying that you should have the right mentor who can help you to make your foundation very strong. And the stronger foundation, the better outcome you can expect. This I suffered at very early stage of life, so this is why I feel that this is very important point. Sometime even your parents may not belong to that field, so they can give a general perception of that thing. But the more deep you will go in that, the better you will become, and you will be able to solve all the problems, and you can grow in that field. So yes, I mean, one particular learning I would say that you should have a clear idea that what you are going to do. And once you have opted that particular field, you should have the like-minded people or the right mentor who can help you to grow in that particular thing. Nowadays, what happened that lot of things which can help you, like there are a lot of online journal, there are a lot of professional who are doing very well in that field, there are a lot of books, so anything you can opt. But yes, it is a very right to have the right guidance. This is one thing which I believe, which I got through my learning, that okay, where I could have done better, where I could have improvised myself, if you get the right kind of guidance. This is one thing. About the aim of the life, I would say that okay, the consistent thing. I mean, I get chance to travel some places, and I would like to improvise this thing more, because the more you travel, the more you see your learning enhance. You become your thought process become very wider. What happened that the more we grow, the kind of responsibilities we get, or the kind of limitation we get for this thing, so our scope of travel becomes very limited, and I don't want that thing. Sometimes when monetary aspect comes where you have to restrict yourself, sometimes responsibilities comes where you have to restrict yourself. So I hope that the more I will work, and the more I can improvise this thing, that I would enjoy more. And as we say that time is the wisest counselor, so with that note, I would think, I would hope that these things will become more easy and more productive for me. And I'm hoping that whatever thought I have shared with you all, somewhere someone will get benefited with that. So with this note, I would say that okay, enjoy the life, and thank you. Bye bye.